Queen of African culture, and today I am live in Amalla-Egazi. Today they are celebrating their cultural festival. As you can see from the background, you see that their sons and daughters are all set to celebrate their cultural festival today in a unique way. So I'm here live to witness it and share it with each and every one of you out there. This is the only festival that brings them both home and abroad together to celebrate in a unique way. So guys, follow me as I'll be taking you in to showcase their rich culture that makes them very unique, that makes them when you say, I am from Amalla-Egazi. Yes. So follow me as I will take you around. Let's go. Good evening, sir.
Hello, what are you doing? I'm doing.
The mass and craft, I promote to culture. We travel different places.
Yes. Yeah.
Come on, baby,
I am on West Side. Hey, baby. What's up? I am on West Side. And now, every year, once in a year, buy the media on West Side. I'm a Victor Market. I'm in BIM. I am on West Side. We promote cultural heritage. That is what we do. We don't. Yes, I go man up now. We are buying. Yes, it is for everybody, both home and abroad. Both home and abroad. Yeah, buying them. We get dojo and many men up. I am the happy. I understand me. I am once in a year. This is what it is.
Even when you are young boys, you to have you to go down. You to promote.
I'll be a dog when I got on child violence. Are you getting me? That is what we are here for. Now I name once in a year. We have one my name. But the media got to go in and guy. And give me as I go, but no, Omen buy name. Are you getting me? Omenala. This is what we have been doing. Our forefathers have been doing. Oh, in a name, we make anybody. Die in a name, ordinary everybody. Once in a year. By name, I make it 7th June. And one May 7th of June. No, that 7th of June. Omenala Igbo. You have mine a jagger. On Wednesday, Igbo. Yes. Igbo 7 days. You have June. You have mine a jagger. So that is what it is. Only actual look. Now you remember my lad, or everybody lad. I covering from where?
From my channel, Dima Arts and Crafts.
Dima
Arts and Crafts. Just Google it online. You see what we do. Thank you.
Akatakpa
Good evening, sir.
Boniface Matama. Amalla-Egazi Ugwueke. Special meme ezoku kem na ya na eme nta na be jikotere amala mbi ishile mi bonya amala na nta bụ ememe ba na ime ekpo na ndụ na na agozigide ndị emor ma ọ ga anyị malitere n'otu eme ndị malitere na ama mta generation ya agibete so more like 5 years now band youth so no nwere afre na ihe gbaru si na-eke chete maka na ịghara maka na ewu okenye anaghị anọ n'ụlọ ewu ma n'ọgbere so ndị okenye na-ekpe ya sị na emume ya patemege tụwa na ụmụ youth so anyị bụ ndị youth over 5 years wee na-egbe anya si na na-ekwerebe eziokwu si na ya adọ ndị okenye ukwu mee ya na-eme ka ọ na-aga aga over 5 years a na-agwa gị every year emele nọ na-akarị iwu ọcha nta na a na-eme na-aka na nta aka akọ bụ na iwu ọcha na-eme mgbe amala ndụ n'ofe a na-elata maka ya na-eme ngozi ise shi mere over 5 years n'ụwale nweta na change positively na ndụ youth both elders both children n'ihe na-aga ọfụma so anyị nwere si ebe ọ bụ n'ihe na-aga ọfụma over 5 years malite na ya ma akwụsịlata na every year na ga na-alata mgbe nọle ị n'obodo oyibo ị nọ Nigeria ndị mgbe nọle n'ihe alata m isoro anyị claim ndị ancestors maka ya na-emebi ndị ancestors nta so they are everything and we believe with them and since we I believe n'ihe na-aga ọfụma ekele m ga-ala no boys ọ bụ na a na-ekwu ekwu m example amejo onwe m example like mụ na eje eme m ụka jee shi ike betụba meji ụka na eme omenala so abe chigeche mete mkpa mete wedding meta metosh ihe agaghị ego kwesịrị ya site na ihe ga na-aga ihe ile ga-adọ o nwere m na ala aka anyị na
mere ụka monu
emechego mere ite na-emela site na dị mee nke a na-eme ntana so ya bụ chi na-aza anyị na azụ mbụ ya mala gara asụ ndị youth ma ndị okenye ma nwatakịrị ma ndị ga-amala na omenala abụghị ịgọ mma na ọ bụ ihe eji mara nda a na-eme ete na Anambra ma na-eme ete na mba ọzọ so na ọ bụghị ajọ ife so ndị youth jikere anyị mere anyị na anyị na-eme na model ka anyị nwere ike ịchọ ọbụ ego adị so ndị youth ka anyị ma na anyị na-eme maka na ngụbadụ na-ese ebe a na-aka ịka anyị n'ọzọ malite mgbe ịkwụsọ ihe abịa anyị na-eme nta gara sị n'uso ya jichi ka e wọchara anyị mechara nke anyị n'oge nke a oge nke ya karị ma nke anyị maka na ekpere anyị na-ekpe na nwa anyị na-amụ na-eyi akarị anyị
abere nke ji ntutu mbe kwa yuga gbaliri je kwere ka be kunu hon nyide nyire ni ngona ma no kwege me latara ikwe ga gawa odum gwa nwa chori ji kejo bara je awure kuji kejo bara ne shinu ko da ya mo awure kuji ka lige shini fu belu no sha wara ba we bre la ngo ngona chokpa gwa hinenu na mu nezori oli jo wala vere lare ogba na ga vere no na kuna ba ana ga bere no ke jwe ne zaga wa nkagere yedi bije no ba Akatakpa be dude gwe mo mo gele gele nwere odom ogwogu ma no ba Akatakpa go jukuro la no weze boda ma ena le mo giji no weze chito ka bia ma woro ro ka china ya we ke me rijiji ruba ya ga dezi ko bo bu ngure na shot uto ba de ma ni jama weze boda mo ke ma no ma no zuro kwa ire ike gro wu na no ya bo se aga ba ke je boda ma ngure ga ni tu ko ma ikoku weze boda ma Mwezi kele la sawa we ebe kareve okoko ebe kareve mwezi bodama mwezi sawa mwa so na so no yime man ga so mi so mama mokuru ama tai iyo mane gbe yo manu dele iyo buru dele yo manu mu gbala no gbala jine mi ya bia kwa nga chiba wo boye ngele ni ka mu bujera kokorisi umo weze betema eya ganga unu ikiri joko maine ya mogana na mali mweze mutararuma ya fu joko maine ya boye mo wa yeze odoma mu maru wa yeze wa nezo zu wa zo buri kuni muru nego sono no para na ma dobe umo re ka jubeli no ma ya nezo na na mani mweze kumara no ma wo nwa chi no ko so ba no ma lara ya mutara oburu na mani mweze gbara no so no ge biro nyara mo ko no to ma no mkote ma gitara jara ni zali mara me mi nya ga me kale ge mu juru oh igani ga ko ye jidu go bo no 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 bo na ma mu o bo mo na jogwa na jo yin ya ni ge jo ya jara jara o do wi ka ma lele bia o lo se bi ka ma le la so wa yi ka Akatakpa ni kan ma wa ka go ne kana bu tu me kana ba ni ke fide na turu turu me kana ba fu ngba ka ko wo we e ko mo go no Ugwueke kana ba bo bu tu me kana ba fu ngba ka no mojo boni dike ugun ra meze wa wala bia mu mo gbo neze Ugwueke na ya akwa mo di ho de no bia re kwa ni libe mu be gbala ni ligo ko jara jara mo kini en ge meni ya fa chama ga.
Oh, good evening, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. How you doing, sir?
Yeah.
How you doing, sir?
I'm fine.
I'm Dimas and Craft, and you?
I'm Eze Demian Chinwoba from Ihapoka, Bezi South. Yeah.
So what do you have to tell us about this cultural festival? I can see that a lot of celebration. People came from different places to celebrate the cultural festival here.
Yeah, this is an organic festival that people celebrate once in a year that give that sense of belonging to the indigenous people of the community. This is Amalla-Egazi, in the Udenu local government.
So looking at the festival now, you can see that this is the only festival that brings people together, both home and abroad. What do you have to tell the youth in terms of this cultural festival? You know, we don't see that it's a bad thing or a good thing.
What I have to tell the youth is I'm still the youth, even though I'm with the white hair, and I'm popularly known as Ugwueke. Ugwueke. Of Ihapoka. Yes. That thing is unbreakable. We make it to be soft. We break it. As far as culture is concerned, we are the forefront. That thing is that has been damaged with religion. We have revived it to be annual festival. So what I'm telling the youth both male and female, is that they should be strong, they should be faithful, and they should abhor neo-colonialism. Because colonialism is what keep us in this bondage. I'm a master's degree holder in psychology, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. We are the human engineers. We are the human behavior modifiers. So after going through the history of the missionaries, it discovers that there is so much exploitation as far as our culture is concerned. So I'm urging the youth to be steadfast, to remain solid behind their culture. Their culture is one of the best. African culture is one of the best. We have the resources, we have the cultural heritage, we have whatever you want that make human being to be happy. That is lacking in that Western society. Just yesterday, when I was watching AIT news yesterday, about 60% of artifacts was returned from Netherlands to Nigeria. Yesterday, I was watching AIT yesterday. 60% of our artifacts was returned from Netherlands. So you see the importance of African culture in that Western life.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Ọdúnkùnrin yẹn máa ń yàgbé síra fún ní. Mọ̀kúnná kúrú wọ́n bọ̀ yẹ ìgbégelé nìyẹn náà yòó já kóyọ́ kan máa ń. Wọ́n yìí jẹ́rọ̀ sáyé. Ànùmánú yẹn lẹ́tí wọ́n dà máa ní ànùmánú yẹn lẹ́tí fi sókè. Ekana kpanu mekana bebe are. Oki gere wu ane chiri mute ke nke jire ga ne choja ri ze ngono. Oyi mu wo ze boda moki. Ngoke ina mo na boss mo mre bo metoro abiru mi tagburu mi na fu. Ebe vure ji se wo ri ko na fe ma mi o kan won no go ne giri ko nu. Ukuta zili le jo gugu ko. Ebe vure ji se isari ke manu kiri zuku. Nye jage bo nye ga ke toy. Ila con la dodo ino ga mo wa gozo. Bada wi ke mande ze marama. La dodo yo koko, la dodo ino ga wa gozo kunye se. Oh, kuri bi huru ane ma kwa ge bu mo ro chara. Na zo ma jo ya ka zo mo kibu. Maro teke ko e ko we ta. Miem na zo na jo ya ka we ze mo kibu. Mo ibo ya ka da no nge chi ni me ba gari. Ko kunu maro ali si. Na pi ma go ba gi fu bo sa ono igo yeru ni ma sha. Ise bula ba ni de no jite na ga chi gara. Nda le million e mere mo ma ya o ka ti hore bule no mo e chi ni no hore elu. O ya ri fese ka ni chesu. Ti fele ke so wo ze won ma da na ba nga do mi jara jara chi me ko yo wa. O so de ni yan wa o. Bo we ze bo da ma ya gam. O me bo yo wa. Agolodo, you kere be na mne zogwa. Agere yawa. Mama mo da chike. Ekure gne no gade na me gne ho. Mama mo da chi.
Brother, it's now women I say so.
Like Osometa, have women Asometa.
There's go happy.
To one more zone, Magade happy, Magano men al Niyam Joy Kitchen, or the Yaman would use of preacher. Magane, under Moranye, Stena, Grushena, Gramata, the Gamata, no bo culture. Emanuka Biarabia, Nana Coca Biarabia. Me only I don't know who can be passed. My Gana Gani me. Mukoro, aboge jikune yachi dome, mgbe ụwa sene na mgbomo. No boge jike yachi dome no wana gagwa. No be all the babe. No ba me no na obi mu bo no okusoga. Me ndo da continue. So ne ana me kele shunike. Me pera ile ni pe me na omu na ale beje nwa anwure. Inanu. Ihe ojo iwe mbo ga degete no loka. Mo onye obo ihe ojo obo woro ja bia na ihe ojo jigo ja fo. No ya no na bo nguri egu ba omu na ala ye na me bu nguri egu. Or an in hardly joy. So ne I na so no darn. And the I own Kwamini Kuno Bene, only with us will yada. If we go all lit happy, looking and one year, the Mochit or Garanye, not saying one or in preaching. They wouldn't. I'm the mass and crafts and you.
Dr. Natobas Chupike.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are here for cultural festival. Amalla-Egazi cultural festival. They're celebrating their cultural heritage today. That brings both home and abroad together to celebrate. As you can see, they are all set and celebrating a unique way. What do you have to tell us when it comes in terms of culture in our own Igbo part?
Culture is the totality of the people's way of life. Holding down from generation to generation to those who may be committed to it. As a matter of fact, a lot of people are gathered here, and then we know they are committed to this culture. But then, what you don't like in our setting here is the inimical culture. People go about to embrace diabolism, to merge with culture, which is not admissible in any way. But here, you can see the conviviality. People donating their hundreds of millions. Inadmissible. It should be shoved away. Like using human beings to sacrifice is not part of our culture. It's typically on Nsukka people. We don't like it, and we don't need all
practice it.
We don't practice it. And then as a matter of fact, we accentuate this kind of gathering, not liking people to go into diabolism and human ritual. So that is it. And that is why I'm here anyway. Though a doctor of philosophy, I was invited by my bosom friend, the prince of this land, invited me to come around to celebrate with him. And then, and you said I should come for your.
Are you saying that culture is not diabolic?
I have not. Yes, culture is not diabolism. You understand? People go into, making culture what it should not be. You understand? Like the Yahooism is not culture. It's not part of our culture. We embrace the culture of Akatakpa. New Yam Festival, coming together to embrace convivialities, to exchange pleasantries, to make ourselves known to the wider public for what we are known for. It's not diabolism, and we wish people should know what culture entails. I said it is totally the people's way of life, handed down from generation to generation to those who may be committed to it. My father is an ardent culturist, and then it boils down to the fact that I am supposed to be. No, I might have embraced Christianity, but then my brothers are embracing the traditional aspect of it. So it is no problem, but people are going haywire to go to what will be inimical in the future. So thank you very much.
When we say we are going back to our roots, what does it mean?
Going back to our roots doesn't entail somebody embracing the bad part of culture. You understand? like Inuwa. Inuwa, as I know, and I was taught by Father Ekunife, was a situation whereby somebody in the great beyond can reincarnate to a possible human in this our sphere or generation, but then not diminishing the person's characteristics in the great beyond. That is Inuwa. Then our own fathers, we know we sacrifice to them, and then sacrificing to them doesn't mean sacrificing human beings. We have had deities around this kind of culture that will catch up with us in the near future. So thank you very much.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.